Hey guys, what's up? Magandang tanghali sa inyo, mga bro. Then for today's episode, mag-review tayo ngayon ng Transformers 2007, The Lux Barricade. Yan yung kalaban ni Bumblebee sa first live-action movie. Transformers 2007, directed by Michael Bay. Michael Bay is good, but Shia LaBeouf, played by Sam Witwicky in the first live-action movie, Shia LaBeouf and Megan Fox, was played Mikila Began. Mikila. I don't know kung... Hindi ko kasi nakalimutan ko kung nung apelido ng role ni Megan Fox dun eh. But ito si Barricade. Ito yung yung nag-play dito, which is yung si Jess Harnell. He born in 1963 ng December. Jess Harnell. His voice of this character and Ironhide. It's complete right now. This is Barricade. This is awesome. I like this one. Shia LaBeouf is good, born in 1986, and then Jess Harnell was played Barricade in the first live-action movie. Then Dark of the Moon appears. He did not play Barricade. And it's just only Ironhide. And the voice actor here now is Frank Welker. Okay guys, so ayun na guys, so yun si Barricade kasi super cool talaga. Kasi nga ang ganda kaya ni Barricade. No. Kita ko to sa Green Hills nung nakaraang Sabado nung November 1. Kita ko to sa Green Hills. Happy ako. Alright guys, so ayan lang guys, yung Deluxe Barricade. So awesome. It's a little bit goofy. He's really cool. That is cool. Okay, comparison natin siya kay Optimus Prime. Mas mahaba pala itong si Optimus kaysa kay Barricade eh. Ayan Optimus Prime. Mas malaki itong si Optimus kaysa kay Barricade kasi truck to eh. This was played Peter Cullen, born in 1941. Yung 1941 na actor, yung nag-played kay Optimus Prime, Shia LaBeouf. Yung first live action movie na dinirect ni Michael Bay. Oh wow, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, transformation time. Okay, let's go transform him, what this looks like. Okay, let's go transformation. Okay, first step. Una muna is yung gaganito yung mata. Ayan. Tas, yan. Ayan. Next step, ito na. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, kita nyo na guys, ang ganda na. Oh. Kita ko to sa Green Hills. Okay, here we go. This is the coolest figure that I've never heard of. Whoa. Oh my god, that's so scary. Oh my god, guys. Yo guys, it's so big. It's so smaller. The same size of Bumblebee. That's his transformation. And una muna gaganitayin natin itong mga windows niya kasi galing to sa pintuin ng police car, alternate transformation niya. Then gaganitayin natin yung paa niya. And flip it around just like that. And uy, tatanggal. Whoops, sorry. I'm sorry. No. Whoa. Curve. Oh wow, ang ganda pala nito guys Ang ganda guys Okay, there he is. Okay. Next step na natin, tapos gagamitin natin. Hintayin na din to. Then rotate natin to guys. Ayan. Yan. Okay, so stance natin siyang pag ganito. A little bit carefully. And okay, may last step na tayo ngayon. Okay, Okay, mayroon pa tayong isa pang ano, kailangan kasi gaganitoy muna natin yung kanyang arms. Tapos yung kanyang katawan. Then, upside down his body. Then, there's his head. There's his head. Then, there he is. There he is. Okay, so tayong pulin natin siya ng konti. Yan. Para pantay siya. Then, yan. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. There is Transformers 2007 Deluxe Class Barricade. That's it. Deluxe Barricade. Oh, wow. Okay, comparison natin siya sa tatlong to. Si Bumblebee. Okay. Mas malaki pa ito si Bumblebee kaysa dito kay Barricade. Wow. Angas ha. Galing ah. Pero pang isa pa. Dito si Bone Crusher Studio Series. Uy, tumas si Barricade. Ayun na. Here is Barricade. Then compared to mas malaki lang ng konti si Barricade kay Bone Crusher. Pares to. Same as Decepticons. Okay. Subscribe now if you love Transformers. Make sure you have to subscribe. See you there.